Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with LoopNet for multifamily and commercial listings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the LoopNet website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click the sign up button to start the subscription process. Fill in the required information in the registration form. Enter your first name, last name, and email address. Create a password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again. Check the box to accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email from LoopNet and click on the confirmation link. Return to the LoopNet homepage and log in using your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the Listings section. Select either multifamily or commercial from the categories. Use the search filters to narrow down your preferred listings. Save your search criteria by clicking the Save Search option. Consider setting up alerts for new listings by selecting the Alert feature. Enter your desired criteria for the alert notifications. Click Save to activate the alerts for future updates. Explore the available listings to get familiar with the platform. Take notes on any properties that interest you for further review. You are now ready to use LoopNet for your multifamily and commercial real estate needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.